Wait, can you tell what's missing from this track? No vocals, no artifacts, just a clean studio-quality instrumental. Now here's the crazy part. What if I told you this wasn't done with some expensive cloud tool, but completely offline on a regular PC for free? Most people think vocal removal at this level is either paid or painfully complicated. So, quick question. Do you think this is actually possible locally, or is this just another AI gimmick? Comment real or fake. I know these days you guys use ChatGPT for everything, but even Sam Altman's ChatGPT still can't do this. AI never takes a break, and neither do we. Welcome back to AI Research. Today, I'm showing you a powerful local AI vocal remover that actually delivers this quality. And yeah, normally installing these tools is a nightmare. Broken Python, missing dependencies, config files everywhere. But what if you could install everything in one click? No setup, no errors. Because that's exactly what I built for you. This week, we have an incredible local AI vocal remover. But if you've tried installing these before, you know it's usually a headache of broken Python scripts and manual config files. Not today. I built a super beginner-friendly, one-click auto-installer just for our audience to get you running in minutes. Before we grab the installer, there are a few heavy-lifting foundational tools you need on your Windows PC. If you watch my videos, you probably have these already, as almost all local AI needs them to run. First, Python. You can grab it from the official site, or even just download it directly from the Microsoft Store. Second, Visual Studio Build Tools. Just download the installer from the official Microsoft site. It's super easy. Third, Git, so we can clone repositories, and finally, the NVIDIA CUDA toolkit. This is crucial for GPU acceleration, so we can strip vocals in seconds instead of minutes. I couldn't include these in the auto installer because they are massive, platform-specific files, but I have direct links to all of them in the repository for you. Once you have those installed, head over to my GitHub repository. Now, you need to click the green code button. You will get the option to download it as a zip file, which you can extract, but I am going to use git clone since I already have Git installed. Now open File Explorer, go to your local directory where you want this app to be installed. Right, click anywhere, and click Open in Terminal. Then, type git clone, paste the repository URL, and hit Enter. The repository will instantly clone to your local machine. Now just open that folder and run the installscript.bat file. That is it. It will do all the heavy lifting. I made this super friendly, so if you don't have those prerequisites installed, it will detect that automatically and ask you to download them. If you do have them, it just skips those steps. It will start a Python virtual environment, so you don't have to install all the libraries globally again and again. It's just for this first time. Now, you have to wait a little bit because the heavy lifter here is PyTorch. It will download PyTorch, which is around 2.8 gigabytes, along with some other files. So be patient. After everything is done, it will tell you installation success. Just hit enter to close the terminal. In that same directory, you will now find a new stripped folder. Open it, and you will find the startstripped.bat file. Just double-click on that file or hit enter. The server will start running and a window will open automatically in your browser with the app. The app is super friendly and easy to use. Just upload your song and choose your quality, standard, high, or ultra. You can choose any of these. Ultra increases the time a little bit, but it is still incredibly fast. I am testing this on my 4 GB VRAM setup, and it mostly uses around 1 GB of VRAM. Let's upload a song. Before processing, let me play the original song so you can listen to the before version with the vocals.
Trips, flips. break the locks. Pen sharper than a locksmith kit. Mind moving mock speeds. Verses hit you like a blitz. Tongue twisters within twist. Blend riddles with grips. Trip on syllables. Catch phrasal flips real quick. Time's ticking, tick tock, no sleep, just dreams. In the shadows where the city's pulse screams. Swift as a thief, flip script schemes. Verse breaks like dawn, shedding light beams. The beat's a wild ride, fast lane, no brakes. Words fly like eagles, chase high stakes. Rapid fire lines, no pause, no fakes. Catch every phrase, don't blink, it's all takes. Life's a blur, speed demons zoom through scenes. Lyrics heavy, dropping anvils in between. Heartbeat, baseline, sync with the streets. Street lights flicker, rhythm completes. Swap lane, switch gears, turbo flows. City whisper secrets only the wind knows. Rap tight, lace words like prose. Fast life, fast thoughts, verse so the beat's a wild ride, fast lane, no brakes. Words fly like eagles, chase high stakes. Rapid fire lines, no pause, no fakes. Catch every phrase, don't blink, it's all takes.
Okay, now let me choose high quality and click start processing. The UI might say it takes around 5 minutes, but don't panic. In my testing, a 2-minute song is mostly done in under 1 minute. Let's wait. Okay, here is the music. Let's play this for you. Whoa, there we go. We get the music without the vocal, completely perfect. So this is how you are going to do it. I will put the link in the pinned comment, so do check it out. Make sure to comment if you get any issues. I will reply and try to solve your problem. See you in the next one. That's the end of today's show. Thank you all for your support and watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave comments. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. See you in the next episode, and as always, I will be on the lookout for the newest and coolest AI tools to share with you. So if you enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.